A good gardener has to be mindful. You have to understand the interaction between all of nature's elements and what those mean for your plants. 18 months ago, I set out to create something that could change how people interact with their land, their plants, and their garden. Something that could help them better understand their environment, because understanding your environment is the first step to conserving it. I created a company called Eden, and this is our first product, the Eden Garden Sensor. Eden assesses soil nutrition in your garden, tracks how humid or dry it may be, the temperature, the kind of sunlight you're getting throughout the day. Then Eden takes all that information about your garden and cross-references it with meteorological data from the area you live in. Eden can tell you what type of fertilizer is best for your soil and what vegetables will thrive in it, when to plant them, and how often to water. And that advice isn't just based on generalities. It's based on what's happening in your garden right now. The end result is healthier, more sustainable plants, and hopefully, a deeper connection to your garden. It's really easy to overwater or underwater your garden. Our sprinkler systems just aren't that smart. We wanted to change that. This is the Eden water valve. It's a smart controller that manages your existing watering system. Unlike other watering systems, the Eden valve doesn't use a preset schedule. Eden knows exactly what your garden needs on any given day, and the valve automatically manages your sprinkler system to make sure your plants get precisely that. That means no more waste, no more underwatering, no more overwatering. Your plants get just what they need.
When form and function meet, incredible things happen. We see it all the time. A device looks good and works well, and all of a sudden, it dominates its market. Well, fashion is next, and we at Messrs are proud to lead the way. The travel jacket is, in a sense, a statement we're making, and we want that statement to come out loud and clear. You can look good and be prepared at the same time. It is possible. The travel jacket is a true confluence of convenience and appearance, featuring a multitude of pockets. This is a jacket that you can use to move about the world comfortably. Forget about backpacks and bulky bags. Using the travel jacket, which is available in both a field style and a utility style, you can keep everything you need to go about your life on your person. Currently, we're looking to raise some startup capital in order to bring the travel jackets to market. Retailing at $395, the travel jacket is available in limited quantities at highly discounted prices only here on Kickstarter. So act now while you can still save big. So travel on in style, in comfort, and ready for whatever may come with the Messrs travel jacket.